which outline the latest activity for each project phase and across the 3 months. So the first one is planning phase in January, and so the 1 week of January we begin the stakeholders meeting to discuss of the project goals, expectation, and required of resources. So 2 weeks of January, this and will be followed by data connection to assess the institution current water and management situation and identify specific needs. So 3 weeks of the January require will be identified based in connect data and prioritize solution. Week 4 of January by the end of phase materials and the resource preparing implementation phase. So the second one is procurement phase in January and February. During week 4 of January and the first 2 weeks of January will be a focus procure the necessary materials and obtain procurement approved to ensure the smooth execution of the project. Next is an implementation phase in February and March. Starting week 3 of February, the installation eco-friendly toilet will be. So in the first one is the week 3 and 4 of February and also involves set up the water backup trunk with proper signage and guide students and the staff during emergency. By the week 1 of the March, hygiene improvement measure will be implemented to cleanliness and health standard. Finally, during week 2 of March is our campaign with a rollout to signage of university and sustainable water management practice. So the fourth one is the post-implementation phase in March of week 4. This final phase will be a focus evaluation the project outcome and connect feedback, ensure the new system the effectively and into daily operation. Now let's move on of the implementation activities and responsibilities. This is section outline the specific task to be carried out and the responsible department and timeline and allocate a budget for each activities. So number one is installation of eco-friendly toilet. Responsibility department, um, engineer and facilities of department. Timeline is February to March. Budget is 117,000 pesos. This activity avoid a replace outline to figures as sustainable water, the toilet system, and reduce to water wasted. Number 2 is installation of water backup trunk with signage. Responsibility department, the engineer facility department. The timeline is February. Budget is the 28,000 pesos. The water backup trunk and ensure the reliable water supplies during emergency with the clean signage for the proper. Number 3 is implementation of hygiene improvement measure. Responsibility department, health, and safety committee. The timeline is March. Budget is 12,000 pesos. This a step a focus upgrading hygiene facilities and reduce the measure and the health standard across the campus. So next one is the number 4 is set up the monitoring and the maintenance system. Responsible department, ID and facilities department. The timeline is March and the budget is 5,000 pesos. The monitoring system is will be introduced to ensure the specific operation and the maintenance of the water and allow to early directions of the issue. Number five is conduct aware campaign. Responsible department, communication and PR department. The timeline is March. The budget is 4,500 and the campaign of educate student, faculty and staff about the water conversation practice and the importance of sustainable water management. Number six is allocation of manpower of implementation. Responsible department, general administrative service. The timeline is January to March. The budget is 50,000 pesos. So the manpower of the sign of oversee the support of the all the project activity. And is the total project cost, the all the project activities. Next slide is the total project cost. So the total project cost is the water outreach improve project. So the total budget is 216,000 pesos and which will be allowed across the figures category to address the key of challenge identified in the project. So let's see. So the number one is eco-friendly toilet institution. Amount is 117,000 pesos. Number two is water backup trunk and installation with the signage. Amount is 28,000 pesos. Hygiene and improvement measure. Amount is 12,000 pesos. Monetary and maintenance system is amount is 5,000 pesos. So number five is awareness campaign. Amount is 4,500 pesos. Number six is man of power cost. Amount is 50,000 pesos. So the grand total of the project is 260,500 pesos. Ensure that each the category of the achieve of project goals and effectively. So now let let's look at the timeline summary, which provide overview of the project base and respective timelines. So I will give you the clean of picture of the project process of month to month. So number one is the planning phase in January of week 1 and 4. So number two is procurement phase in January and February. Number three is implementation phase in February and March. Number four is post of the implementation phase in March of week 4. This is a timeline of the project evaluation of outcomes and rather feedback ensure that all the system function and needed. So the final phase is critical assess of success of the project and then make a necessary adjustment of long term of responsibility. So the timeline allowed to strategic organization approach the project of the water outreach and improvement project. So that's all of evaluation of proposal. Thank you.